Alright guys, niabot na diri sa kondo. Nagpahinga muna kami dito dahil masyadong mainit. Tinatanong ni Maricel ang bill doon sa counter may. Oh. See? Pertinginita. Nangatana pa si Maricel sa bill. Alright. Alright guys, we are here in the elevator already. We're going up.
Grabe, inita eh. Sa Pitas. Huwag sa speakers din. Asya din. Madam!
Bye.
Nana sa katiri ko asya
Abdi na ata ganun kung ganina pa. Sini lah.
Ano?
Ha?
Ano?
Mo lang yan sinilas na. Ay tawo lang, balhin mo da.
Sir.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon sir.
Sorry. Hello. Mike.
John. Siblings.
Can you help?
Madam, dali ko pa-text na mo. Madam, man. Dito ka? Hindi, ikaw pa-text. Ikaw pala yung work. Ano naman ikaw? Ikaw ang send man. Ikaw po. Naglahat ko ako. Siguro.
Sud ko. Na, good afternoon. Pinsan.
Ano man na? Ito man. Ha? Ano? Sabi ko.
Checking ah. Okay. Why daot? Why sira? It's okay. Check. Mike, how old are you, Mike?
21.
Huh? 21? So young, huh?
39.
39, I'm 59.
I just had birthday
Yeah.
last weekend.
Okay. Yung si Maymay, ang wifi, i-check ko no? Inarin ko no siya wifi. Alright, wifi. Okay. Naka-on.
Okay, maubit ito sabot niya. Inig-out niya. Ako sa sabot ko, inahin ko siya. Inahin siya. Mawa na po. Ano ko? Mawa na po.
Very clean, huh? Very neat. Nice. Why no things? Are you leave tomorrow or other day or today? Monday? Sure. Very clean, nice, neat.
Yeah.
All right, rock and roll. See? Wow. Very clean also. Guys. Is this yours? Can I take some?
Yes, yes.
It's very hot. Nakaibaso. Nakaibaso. Inom tabi. Inom. Uho kayo. Nanangin bitaw ko. Mainom ni tubig dali, ma'am?
Ha?
Excuse, mainom ni.
Mainom mo siguro.
Mainom ni.
Taputir man na.
Ah?
Ikaw, kung ganahan ka mo
Pero mainom ni. Kainom ni.
Depende lagi niyo kung mainom ka.
Okay,
Sa MC man na.
MCD, mainom ko.
MC man.
How about this? Is this yours?
No.
I'm very thirst for fierce.
Yeah. I got water.
Ay, very thirsty ka karon.
Bring you good water.
Oh, wow. Very kindly. Thank you very kindly. Just a nice guy. Sing nga ni mo, ma'am. Rodriguez?
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. Please, ma'am. Alright.
Sige na, ako lang ikuan kasi Mas Marita naman siguro mo hatag sa kuan.
Oh, siya na, pero ina lang.
Rubilin. Kuha ko, Rubilin, ha? Ha? Uy! Why no adjusting? Why you adjust? Because it's very hard to take it. To take out.
I don't know.
Maybe we adjust some slow.
I didn't use it.
No. Maybe I broke it. I put some water. Let me adjust this.
Sa mga ka inom dedaan.
So, okay na, tadaan
Inom,
mo
inom
daw.
ko.
Wala na may dami. Wala na may paan. Wala rin kulang yung diha. Sige mo paglakaw siya. Sige mo paglakaw.
Kaya na bitaw gamay kasi parenti.
Sige mo paglakaw ganito. Paglakaw.
I'll put some to make soft.
Yes.
My English is very hard.
No worries, no worries.
My English is very hard but very expensive. I've been there. I'm sailor before. Seaman.
No worries.
I'm sailor before. I'm working in. I've been Nigeria or Nigeria or South Africa or Madagascar and Tabantabi Island.
Alright,
Yeah.
that's nice.
We wait seconds to mix of the ice.
Yeah.
But very strong, huh? If you force it, broken.
Yeah.
But we adjust this. How to adjust? I use my sunglass.
I think they will take it anyway off.
Warm. This is warm. See, warm. Because no inside. No inside. No, wasting electric bill. This put a warm. My English is very hard but very expensive, huh? My English is very hard but very expensive. Mike, what is your job here in Philippines?
I just traveling here.
What is your daily income?
First time here.
You're a student.
I was in Palawan. I was Bohol.
Yeah, you've been there, Palawan.
Yeah.
Wow.
And Siargao, Palawan.
Palawan is what I mean. Palawan is very expensive and very warm place.
Yeah, it was nice. I was in March.
Hmm? So, how long you stay here in Philippines? Otherwise, what I mean, you transfer to Palawan?
3 months.
3 months?
I was in Siargao, Bohol, Malboal.
Malboal, very far.
Yeah, Manila.
So you rent a car
No.
if you want to go
My
there.
friend.
My friend, by car, by Lazada.
He was driving like car.
What is your nationality anyway?
Finland.
Finland. Oh, Finland. Very nice. I've been there.
It's snowing there now.
Yeah, isa na kaya akong ipalambot.
Hala, uy, ginukos. Gi-open.
Oh, dili din i-off.
I-off na ako ni Lakawon.
Ako na Oh, kaya ano mo humok ako nang
Ang yaw, hindi na sana mo iulit. Yung block mo ng cash.
Ay, ako ba? Ikaw ano yun? Talagang ko mari.
Ay, foreigner ba yan na taon? Ay, na siguan. Hindi na sila ganang inana. Makanagpuan. Hadlok na sila.
Tikasan?
Oo.
kala scam no. Alright guys, check up na. We already check up the nagba-vlog ako, vlogger kasi ako, subscribe pa na ako. We are checking the my English is very bad but very expensive. My friend, I'm a vlogger, Jack Calams TV. You can search my YouTube channel. No, I'm not joking. Jack Calams TV. YouTube. No. Di para ma-subscriber akong kwan kanang foreigner. Jack Calams TV. I will type.
Paklaki.
And then you can look your face.
No,
Let me see.
I don't want to be in YouTube.
Jack Calams. Jack Calams TV.
No, I don't want to be in YouTube.
You don't like YouTube?
I don't want to be in YouTube.
Okay. How about Daniel, Catherine Bernardo? Please, ma'am. Manager mo din eh. Speak to tanga. May mainom ko eh. May mainom sa kugkuan, may kanang tubig kay pating.
Ako yan, si Kuana.
Sir, may gunta.
Michael.
Oh,
Si Michael.
kanang, naman na silang
How about you? Ice. You like ice?
No, I like this.
Kasi password din eh.
password. Wi-Fi password.
Ah, I can't remember.
Mauro man siguro. Wala man i-change.
Amo ba? Wala siya nag-ilis eh. Ilis siguro
Ah,
siya.
nag-inis mo din na
Oo, ilis mo din. Ibilin na yung password.
Wait.
Kaya mo sa ilalong.
Ita. Kudaki lang. Picture oh. Picture ka ng kwan ka. Ikaw, Kathleen. Oh, okay. Kalimot kasi mong... Jilubin ka, pangalan? Jubilin? Tagaan kag tubig ice. Okay na?
Okay.
Ah.
Ayan. Wala ka naman.
Ulit nga na siya nga.
Mahurot na akong load.
Asan ani?
I will off this video. I will off this video.
Ah, wait, I will. Ah.
Later. Pwede mo niyo sabi, no?
Wi-Fi.
Ano, okay. Ano? Napaminitin.
Oh, kausap niya si Kwan, Michael. Yan, kausap ni Michael. Si...
Okay. Pwede na po i-total na lang na ni Mog 5, sir. 20 na lang yung ibalik para if na ay mga excess, dito na lang kwaon sa kayo. For sure, di mo po siguro na maabot. Oo. Okay. Sige.
Michael, thank you for your drinks, huh?
No, worries.
Very such a nice guy. Very kindly.
Meron na siya, Bri.
Thank you so much. Now my tears is done. Is gone. My tears is gone.
Si Oy, the English very kuan bayabas.
Di, my tears is gone. Ibig sabihin, yung uhaw ko na wala na. My tears is gone. The aircon is still working. See? Very cold, 25. See? Okay, malinis, malinis. Ang aircon naka-under, alright? Malinis. No problems. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.
You want me to
Don't forget
take
to
out?
don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and
No, because
click the notification bell and comment down below kung okay ba. Okay, bye-bye.
Wait.
To be continued pa.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, dito na naman. Nakapangyawi ko yan. Sige, kuya. Bye, kuya.
Bye-bye.
So, okay na.
A few moments later.
Alright. Are nami may kay magluto pa kuno si Kwan, Maricel. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care. All right.